for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, security system, fog lights, heated front seats, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, power driver's seat. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.